So here we have the standard heat shield off my Panigale 959, which I'm going to carbon skin. This is the black base coat, which now needs to be left until it's tacky before I apply the carbon fibre skin. Okay, so that's the carbon fibre mat now on the heat shield, and the first coat of resin. This now needs to be left for about 14 hours to cure before we start again. Right, I'm back. What we've got now is the first coat of resin's fully cured. It's all been flatted back, so there's no high spots. All of the holes and openings that needed cleaning out have been done. Looks a bit ropey at the moment, but trust me, it won't do when it's finished. I'm going to put 3 further coats of resin on here. We need about 2 hours in between. That'll be again left for about 14 hours to fully cure. Then it'll get a final flat, again get rid of any slight high spots and what have you, and it'll get a final coat of resin ready for finishing. Right, I'm back again. As you can see, it's starting to look particularly good. That's the last of the 3 coats of resin. That'll now get left to harden overnight, about 14 hours, and then it'll get another flat off, and then it'll take a final coat of resin before final finishing. Right, okay, I'm back for the last time. As you can see, the item's finished. I've got this done in a flat lacquer because everything else that I've done for the bike is in flat lacquer. I think you can see it's turned out pretty well.